Should it straight to the ground. Should it straight right down to the ground. Should it. Yeah, should it over.
What is it, seaweed?
Yeah.
What kind of bird is that one?
We call it Heron. Blue Heron.
Era?
Heron.
Era.
On the right side now. Turn it.
That white stuff up there.
The net, the fish net.
Is this ever swim in this river?
Fish? Lots of fish.